Welcome to Trade Hotspot. So the morning session, and I came to this session because I saw the movement in the market right now. So right now I can see one trade here. I have not entered yet. I just trying to enter at this moment, but let's see. I need more confirmation on this trade. You can see here, like I have seen the 15-minute confirmation here, but I want strong confirmation here, right, in this trade. Like you can see here, guys, this is a rejection candle, and there is a downside movement in the market, and you can see this is a resistance point, and this is a support zone, right? Here you can see this is a very great support, right? You can see this is whenever the market come on this level, then it's a upside movement, right? The first time here, second time here, and third time here right now. So from this point market is moving. The best trading area is this only, right? So we have to trade in this area, right here. But currently you can see market is sideways right now, so for that purpose I have not entered, but I'm trying to enter at this point because I can see the market should have to come on this level at least, right? This is an resistance, right? So market should have to come on this level. So because of that I'm trying to take an entry here, but I can't. I'm not seeing a strong resistance here, so I ignored this trade right now. So you can see there is a change in state here, right? Here there is a change in state, as well as you can see this is a rejection candle, liquidity sweep candle. Okay, and as you see in the 5-minute chart, it's a strong rejection here right now. So small scalp I'm trying to do here, but as you know, guys, I want to trade here, right? So market is here right now, so it will be a mistake. Like I'll trade here. We can trade here, right? Initially I would like to trade here at this moment right here, and by keeping stop loss here. Okay, it's a 120 pips stop loss, so you can take a small quantities and you can try to target this level for 1:2 ratio. It will become here, right? So like that I'm trying to take trade here, but I can't see such great potential in this trade, so I ignore this trade. If you want to take a risk here, then you can take, guys. So this is the right place you can take an entry. In the 1-minute chart there is a fair value gap right here. It's a fair value gap, so it can be a small trade here. You can do like that, right? You can keep your stop loss here, okay, and by keeping your target 1:2, which is here, small scalp you can do, guys, right? By 38 pip stop loss, and against that you will get 82 pips, right? Small scalp you can do here, right? So you are getting 50% target here, right? So you can book your 50% target right now. Okay, this is a 50% target, so you can book your 50% target. So your SL is cost to cost right now. and this will be a 75% target booking area for you guys, right? So your stop loss should be now on your cost, so you are not losing in this trade. You're not losing your money in this trade right now, because the stop loss, where is the stop? Yes, yeah, your SL is in the on your cost, and you already booked your 50% profit in this trade, right? You already know, guys, how we are doing the trade, right? How we managing our levels and targets and yes, everything. How to manage our trade. We all guys already know everything. Right now this is just changing state, and after that there is a retest. Okay, so you don't have to fear here. I'm having my breakfast. I hope you all guys have had your breakfast. What do you think, guys? I entered with small quantity here. I'm trying to ignore this trade, but I entered very small quantity here in this trade. This is under scalp, right? So I'm trying to close this trade, but initially I like trying to keep my stop loss here, but after that I thought, like, instead of coming out, we can book our 50% profit, and we can keep a very small stop loss here in this trade, right? So what I did initially, before come to live, I have entered in this trade here. I'm trying to ignore, but I have entered, guys. It's a small scalp, and it's right now also it's trying to give you 100% profit. You have chance right now also, you can book your 50% here by keeping your share still at this moment. You can see, all guys, how gold is getting rejected from this area, right? So it have to move up. What do you think, guys? I hope my audio, video, everything is fine. So you can book 50% on only in this trade, so because of that I'm trying to ignore this trade, but it's fine guys, it's fine. You're getting 50% in this trade. So our first trade is done here and we achieve 50% in this trade, so it's fine. By looking 5-minute chart or so I'm looking gold for selling at this area, right guys? I just want one confirmation here, like changing state or anything like this. This can be changing state in 5 or 15 minutes. Okay guys, this can be changing state in 15 minutes. There is only one thing, like I want a strong rejection candle at this point on the top, but there is no any rejection candle, so it's fine. But there is a changing state in 15 minutes. So what do you what you can do guys? There is a rejection candle in 5 minutes, okay, it's fine. If there is not in 15 minutes, then it's fine in 15. It's a, you can see here, if 1 hour chart, there is a candle here, you can go into 1 hour chart and you can see this is a rejection. This can be a rejection candle because it's taken high of previous candle and it's closing down. So it's 10:30 candle. It's high, long time actually. So it's a long time to close this candle, but before that we can get the confirmation in 15-minute chart, right? So here on 10:45 candle started, so 11 p.m. after 10 minutes this candle will going to close, and after that we will get the confirmation it will be changing state or not. Okay, so we have to wait here in the gold right now for a strong confirmation here, right guys? Till that we can check out NASDAQ and US 500, NQ and EY. We can check here, right? We can analyze here. So what I'll do, I'll remove all this chart drawing, and if you see here daily time frame, the daily buy is showing like there is a move upside in the market, right? So already yesterday high is taken out by today's candle. Then also we can look NASDAQ for buying today as per the daily buys. So for that we should have strong confirmation. So here in 4-hour chart you can see this is a changing state here, right? Yesterday we got in 1 hour also you can confirm that, and you can, this is visible strongly here in the 1 hour chart, right? One more thing, 1 hour is telling here like this is a support area, and here there's a rejection candle you can find, and here will be changing state you can see in 15-minute chart. So So you have to enter here only, right? So after this confirmation, you have to enter at this area here at this point. So you can keep your target here and stop loss below this point like that. I'll show you. Like this is the trade here, right? It's a trade like swing trade here, and its stop loss will be here, and you'll get the 1:2 here only. So more than 50% is achieved right now in this trade. So this was the trade here, and we have missed this trade, but no worries, we can find another opportunity because just we have seen one more change in state in 15 minutes here. So it's already mitigated, already retested, so it's moving up right now. So here also you can enter, right? Here also you have like chance to enter in the market, but this opportunity is already gone. So don't care, don't think. We'll check one more retracement in the market, one more retracement in the NASDAQ, then at right point, right area, at right level, we can enter with our entry model, right, in the NASDAQ for buying today. So right now it's already moving up and it's near to high, right? So we are not interested to enter in the NASDAQ right now. So we have to wait for retracement in the NASDAQ, and maybe same thing in US 500 also, because they both are moving like brothers, right? Same thing in US 500 also. So currently we are ignoring to the US 500 and NASDAQ. We want retracement here in the NASDAQ. Okay guys, and right now gold is trying to move down, trying to give the change in state here. It's a 15-minute candle and it will be going to close after 7 minutes, so we have to wait for now 6 minutes. We will wait here for 6 minutes, like for strong confirmation. Gold also in middle right now. You can see this is not right place, right? You can do scalp here, but bigger move if you want to capture on this area, so you have to wait for right level. Like this, the levels are here only on the front of you. The first level is here. This is a resistance level, so I'll mark as a resistance line here. Okay, so this is a resistance level here, and you can see here there is a support level. Okay, so these are the area here we can do trade, and now you can see it's on middle of this zone or this level, so it's better to ignore the trade in this area right now. You can do small scalp on 1 minute chart time frame, right? Like we have captured here, or first trade, like 50% profit we have booked here. So accordingly you can book your profit here. This is the area here. You can see there is a strong point of interest, and market came to this area, and again it's trying to move. So according to that you can plan your trades here, like small scalps you can try, but my suggestion is like you can avoid here, right? You can try to take trade by on your risk, right? But a small scalp you can try. But I'm waiting here. I already my small scalp is done, so I'm waiting here for bigger trade. Like I can see the downside movement in the gold, right? Because you can see here continuously gold is moving down. It's already taken the previous low yesterday, right? and right now can become here or here, right? Can become to here on this level or on this level. So for that purpose, I'm strongly waiting here for, according to by looking this candle, my daily base is on the downside, right? So now the previous low, which is here only, so it's not taken by the gold. So I'm strongly looking here for sale, actually on sale side. So I want just confirmation, one confirmation at this level, like if I got the confirmation here with changing state or anything, then I'll do small scalp. But if gold will come on to this area and again I can see any strong confirmation on this area, then definitely I'll go for a small, large, big, or by keeping the target up to here, like it's a very large or bigger trade here we will got. Okay, so please wait here, like this is a consolidation here. You can do small scalps on this area, but not a large long trade, right? Or swing trade, you can see. Last 2 minutes are remaining, and the 15-minute candle is will close after 2 minutes. So last 1 minute is remaining. I don't think like this candle will close on downside, because just 20 seconds are left. This is an liquidity sweep here, right? For to move the gold upside, right? So what you can do, guys, we can check change in state here in 5 minutes. So change in state will be here. Now it's moving down. Why? I don't know, but it's trying to moving down. There is a big move right now after this candle. Why? Let's see. We have to wait here. So please wait. You will get the right opportunity. I'm here. Coming back. Can see the rejection here at this level. Then sideways zone here in the gold right now, so it can be upside then sideways then continuation on upside till this level, up to this level. Let's see guys, we are waiting here for confirmation. So in 15 minutes, this is also one of the rejection candle right now. It's going to form. Please wait guys here. You can check NASDAQ or US 500 here, like it's moving up. Here there's an entry, here there's an entry. We are waiting for some retracement in the NASDAQ, right? We can do trade here early because this trade is here, right? This is a rejection candle, so you can enter here at this area. But now it's on 8 PM actually, so we don't. But here is an changing state we can see, and after that you can enter here also. So, but we are late today, so it's a 10:15 and we are not present on 10:15 here, right? We are came 10:30, so right at the time the market is here at this level, so no issues guys. It's a very good trade, but miss this that. We'll focus on another opportunity in the gold, right? We can look out into BTC also. So BTC is what is in BTC right now. There is a retracement in the BTC, the strong downside move. After that there is some retracement, and again it can be continuation, right? So if you look in 15-minute chart, after strong move there should be some retracement in the BTC also, right? So it should have, we measure the retracement here, then it should be near to 61,000. Okay guys, It's near to 61,000, 0.5 or 0.6 level. So like that here, and then upside movement in the BTC. So you have to wait for retracement for buying in the gold in the BTC. Right now you can see, guys, here there is a downside movement is coming in the gold. I'm waiting for strong confirmation at this point. There is confirmation in 1 hour. If the candle is closed like that, there is an liquidity sweep here, right at this moment. After that, it can be continuation till this previous low, previous day low. Okay, so on 11:30 this candle is going to close. Okay, so there is more than 20 minutes to close this candle, but we can get the confirmation in 15 minutes here, right? Change state here, right? So it can be change state here. After that, on retest we can enter. Okay, there is no strong confirmation on top side, like no any liquidity sweep here. I mean, there is a liquidity sweep, but on 15 minutes it's not. It's 11:08, so we have to wait till 11:50. Okay, please wait, guys. Wait for the right area, right point. So this is unchanging state here in 5 minutes now. One more 5 minutes. We can wait. If you want to take an entry in this area or want to do small scalp, what you can do, guys. There's one more thing, like there is no confirmation here, like there is no liquidity sweep on bigger time frame, 15-minute time frame. So we can do the trade here with a small scalp, can say, by keeping your stop loss on this area or above this area, but it's an 82 pips SL you have here, and against that you are getting 1:2 here below the above this level only. Okay, so you can think for this trade if market will retest on this point of interest, right? So you have to be careful or can wait here for this trade, guys. You can pending order here, like pending entry at this area. There is small FVGs here only, but especially you can take here, because if you take here then your SL will be increased. So try to make an entry at this FVG, 1 minute FVG. Okay guys, because I know on 15 minutes also there will be confirmation like changing state here. After that, small retest will be going happen in this area, and then this can be a downside movement in the market, in the gold. So please wait for a small retest up to this area, then you have your entry model here. No worries guys, he's moving down and you are not getting an entry. No worries guys, we can take another opportunity, we can find another opportunity, but right now you have to wait up to this point only, right, to make an entry. So please wait guys. There's a news on 11:30 a.m. German GFK consumer climate. Maybe it's not a strong news or anything, I don't know, but let's see. There is no strong impact I can see. There is a strong news on 6 p.m. Okay guys, so be careful on 6 p.m. today IST. Currently this candle like trying to take an retracement here. Gold is trying to take retracement here. Maybe it can be retraced or it will not. But I'm waiting on this area. Wait for this area only. It's 11:15 already, and in 15 minutes chart you can see this is an range state here. This is a strong change in state, and this is order block area, and gold have to retest to this area, right, as per my point of view. If it will be continue down, then we can think like another entry. We can wait for another entry or another opportunity, can say guys. So right now I'm waiting for this area to make an entry. 11:30 there is a news, but I don't know like what is the impact of that news. Let's see. Hope it's not related to the gold or you know. Now you can see guys here like US 100 or NASDAQ is trying to take retracement here at this point. So it's taken the previous day high. What do you do? There should be some retracement on 15 minutes guys, like this retracement should be, we have already measured, maybe should be up to here on this level, right? This level, right guys? Okay. Here you can do small scalp for selling on this area by looking changing state or liquidity sweep at this point, because this is a resistance zone. So you can see whenever NASDAQ come onto this area, it's rejected from this area. So this is an resistance for the NASDAQ here. So this is a resistance line, and I want liquidity sweep on this area. Then I can go for sale on the NASDAQ for small scalp. Gold is trying to retrace here. Should have to come to this level at least. You can see in 15 minutes this is an point of interest area, right? You can see this is a fair value gap here. 15-minute time frame, you can see this fair value gap is like it's already mitigated here. So I think there is no much more impact of this FVG here. You can see in the 5-minute also the FVG, but it's already mitigated, and after that you can see market is moved upside here. Alright, again in this area, but it's already mitigated, so I think there is no much more impact of this FVG or this point of interest. So wait here. It's near to your entry point. So I'm trying to make an entry here in this point. Let's see if we'll got an entry or not. Currently, if I look into 15-minute time frame, then it's a liquidity sweep here, right? It can be some. You can see this is a liquidity sweep here in 5 minutes also. On top side, there is no liquidity sweep, right, guys? So you can wait, guys, here for strong confirmation. What I'll do, I'll not enter here. I'll wait here, guys. Okay. So I'll not make entry here. If I'll see any liquidity sweep or anything on a 3 minute or 5 minute time frame here on this area, then I'll enter. Okay, guys, because I can see there is a liquidity sweep on bottom side here, right, on this area on 5 minute also, and 15 minute right now it's a liquidity sweep. It's going to happen if this candle goes into green. This can be liquidity sweep. And as we see, this is a area, this is a point of interest area. There is an order block here pending, right? There is a fair value gap here, right? So there will be some chances to market move upside. So you can, guys, wait. Please don't make an entry here. This is not right entry. We can check confirmation, exchange in state or liquidity sweep at this area, and then you can enter. We will take confirmation on 3 minute time frame here, guys, right? Or 5 minute time. Let's see. 3 minute or 5 minute time frame will take confirmation for liquidity sweep on this area, and after that we can make an entry for downside on this area. You can see this is an rejection here. So on 5-minute it can be liquidity sweep. So let's see guys, let's wait. 5-minute candle will close after 1 minute 20 seconds. The right area, I know, like we have already marked a fair value gap here in this area, right? So it's struggling here, but it's not strong confirmation. So because of that, I have not entered. I'm waiting for one more confirmation on 5-minute or 3-minute time frame. Okay guys, you can see the candle is turning into the green right now, so there will be chances to move up. And this 15-minute candle also going to close, and this is a liquidity sweep here on 15-minute. You can see that. So we can think for buy here. If we can see a great entry model, then we can think for buy. Last 30 seconds are left, and this candle is turning into the liquidity sweep candle, guys. So let's see guys, let's see. Anything can happen in a minute, as you know guys, this is market. So here you can see guys, this can be a liquidity sweep, and this is a changing state in 1 minute also. So what we can do guys, next candle we can enter on the changing state, right? We will keep stop loss here. We can do small scalp here, right guys? So we will target on this. So we can enter here. Okay guys, so why I'm entering here, this is a rejection from top side here, right? So this can be just retracement. After that there can be a downside movement in the gold. So because of that I'm trying to enter in this area. So we can enter here. Small gap. So it's moving down guys. We have to make entry here only, right? It's moving down. Oh my god. It's an perfect entry. And this is the right point of entry, guys. So we are making our entry here only. So we cancel our pending hour, so we got an entry here. Let's see that. this is an perfect entry, guys. Like here, stop loss will be here, and target will be 1:2 here, and now you are getting 50% here, like 50% already done here. So you can make your echelon cost, and after that you will wait for 1:2 or more than that. This is a perfect entry. Like we cancel this entry, right? But this was a perfect entry. Maybe I'm not sure about this entry because, as you know, guys, I need strong confirmations, and I never seen any confirmation on bigger time frame here. This isn't changing shit, I know, and this is a rejection here, I know, but I want strong confirmations. So now the gold is trying to move down. I'm coming, guys. Be careful. So here is a perfect entry, guys. As you can see, just tapping into the FVG, and after that gold is moving down, right? It's a perfect entry here, but we have not made entry here. No worries, we will get another opportunities here, right? Right now in NASDAQ, in 15-minute chart, there is a liquidity sweep, you can see, guys, and it's not a just 3% retracement here. Okay, guys, just 3% retracement, and if you mark from this point, then it's only 2% retracement. It's fine because it's a continuous movement in the NASDAQ, and by looking this candle, we can go for long. 11:30 candle, and it's closing on 12 p.m. right? So